How to watch Netflix with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can watch Netflix with friends. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to watch Netflix with friends, it's actually very simple. Let's say that you only have one single account and you want to share it and watch with friends. Then for that, you have to create multiple profiles. So if I go ahead and show you my Netflix account at the moment, and it'll ask me to log into my profile. Now in one Netflix account, you can add up to 4 or 5 different profiles. So keep in mind that this also depends upon the plan you're currently in. In my case, I'm using the mobile plan, basic plan as well. You have the standard plan, you have the basic 720 1080 plan, and you also have the 4K premium ultra HD plan. So depending upon what kind of plan you have, your friends and you may not be able to watch at the same time. But if you do want to share, then all you have to do is create new profiles. So this is one of my friend, this is my other friend, and let's say you have some kids whom you want to watch Netflix with, they can go into the individual profile. But keep in mind that you have to give them a password in order to share your account. Don't worry, your account will be completely safe as long as you are the admin of the account. So what you have to do is tap on add profile if you want to add some more profiles. Select the name that you want to actually enter for the friend, and here you can actually choose whether or not you want them to actually turn on kids profile, which means only for kids content, and just tap on the save button. So whenever your friends log into the account, they can only go to their profile. You can also actually lock your profile and all the fancy stuff as well. So you can tap on the edit button on the top. If you want to log or delete one of these profiles, then you could tap on it, and here at the bottom you could go to the option called delete profile as well. And that's all it takes to share your Netflix accounts with friends and watch together. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.